Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting 3-4 matching colors so your layout reads as a set. This prevents clashing. Once chosen, pick a 0. 5 gel pen for detail, a fine liner for outlines, and a bright highlighter for accents. Make a quick decision on size, use full notes for lists, flags for tabs, and layered 1/2 or 1/3 pieces for interest. Then cut or tier a practice piece. Try one decorative corner, now, so you understand spacing before you commit. Once you have your base, apply a light wash or subtle pattern with a highlighter to give a backdrop that won't overpower writing. Make deliberate layers by gluing thin strips or folding edges inward to create a tactile shadow. This adds depth and an intentional handcrafted feel. Then introduce texture with a narrow washi tape strip, a few embossed strokes, or tiny white pen highlights to suggest light. Make sure spacing leaves a clear writing area while keeping the design balanced. You finish by testing your chosen pens on a spare edge. Write a short word to confirm contrast and legibility. Then add small icons or numbered accents to guide use, and seal edges with a light coat of clear gloss or matte fixative for durability. If something goes wrong, like ink bleeding, blot excess immediately with a scrap, let it air for a minute, then spray fixative from about 6 to 8 inches away. This stabilizes fibers and prevents further spread without altering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.